Alright, welcome YouTube. This is our Mystery Boosters box break. Tonight we have Mikey and Steve on multi, we have Millen on black, Fred on white, Jamie on green, Millen on colorless, Jeff on blue, Barkman on red, and Zachary on lands. Good luck everybody. Slice open this box and get started. Just a reminder, guys, I'm looking for about half the set worth of mystery booster foils. So if you guys open some mystery booster foils in your colors that you're not looking to use, hit me up. I'm probably looking to trade for most of them. Alright, let's pull some sweet stuff. Mystery boosters. Alright, which pile are we pulling from tonight first? Right, left, or middle? Right, left, or middle? Call it out in chat, guys. And also don't forget to get those sleeve emotes ready too, if you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe? It's all the proceeds go to charity tonight. What a better night to subscribe than tonight. There we go. Showing up them sleeves. Alright, middle it is. Middle it is. Good luck everybody. Alright, so we got a Fortify, an Abzan Rune Mark, Mold Drifter, we'll send that to blue. That's a good one. Uncomfortable Chill, Vampire Lacerator, Breeding Pit, we'll send that to black. Got a Dragon's Egg, a Ruinous Gremlin, Venom Sliver, we'll send that to green. Jungle Wayfarer, we'll send that to green. Migratory Route, we'll send that to multi. Dismal Backwater. And a Dictate of Erebos. Dictate of Erebos is the first rare we got. Alright, we're at 12 viewers now. Just a reminder, if we get to 20 viewers, we're going to give away these 2 packs to somebody, so get your friends in here. Get your family in here. Whatever it takes, let's give away these packs. How many Iconic Masters packs do I have there? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 of them as well. Dictate of Erebos for black, Audric Lunark Marshall for white, and the foil is Manamo School at the Water's Edge for the Lands player. Lands player, if you're looking to trade this, let me know. I'm interested in it. Nice hit, Zachary. And we can crack your double Masters packs there after this break if you want their yiddles. Got a Disenchant, a Thraben Inspector for white, Eel Umbra, Mistraven, Driver of the Dead, Murder, Mog War Marshal, we'll send that to red. Down for some IM packs too? Sounds good, just let me know how many and you know where to send the transfer. Reckless Fireweaver, Blossoming Druid, Sakura Tribe Elder, that's a good one for green. Got a Vengeful Rebirth for multi, Torment's Crypt colorless, and a Squirrel Wrangler. Make some squirrel tokens for green. with a coat of arms. Coat of arms for colorless. Let's get a soft sleeve for that. And hello, mythic rare foil, Karthus Tyrant of Jund. Karthus Tyrant of Jund. Multi, if you guys are looking to trade that, let me know. I'd definitely be interested in that dragon. Let's get a sleeve for that bad boy. Karthus Tyrant of Jund. Mythic rare dragon foil. Nice, nice.
Okay. In response, I'm going to tap 2. I'm going to tap to snap your Art Recruiter.
We got a Take Vengeance, a Dragon's Eye Sentry, Mystic of the Hidden Way, Dispel, Cursed Minotaur, Dark Blast, we'll send that to black, Gut Shot for red, Dragon Fodder, Experiment 1 green, Oran Reef Invoker, Martial Glory, Loxodon Warhammer, we'll send that to colorless, and a Bloom Tender for green. Bloom Tender, nice hit. With a Alicia who smiles at death for red. And a foil Funeral Charm. I don't even know if I have that or not, but it's a foil Funeral Charm, so I definitely want that if you're interested in trading for it. That Warhammer still is a menace. Just gotta play red-white equipments. Won many a games by gaining like 20 or 30 or 40 life off of Loxodon Warhammer. Many a games. Got a Zealous Strike, a Veteran Swordsmith, we'll send that to white, Temporal Fissure, Dragon's Eye Serpent, Inquisition of Kozilek, that's a nice one for black. Got a Grappling Scoundrel, Goblin Oriflame for red, Stormblood Berserker for red, Guardian Shield Bearer, Seal of Strength, Armament Crops for multi, Millikin for colorless, got a Doomgape for multi, and a Debitor's Knell, also going to multi. And the foil is a Greth's Gorium. I believe I need this one too, actually. Greth's Gorium I'd be interested in trading for. Alright guys, we're up to 14 viewers so far. If you guys haven't already hit that follow button, please do so. As well, tonight would be the night to consider subscribing. You get use of our cool emotes, plus all the profits go to charity tonight, so why not subscribe? Got no better excuse. What other night are you waiting for? We got a Seraph of the Suns, we'll send that to white, a Snubborn Sentry, Divination, Crashing Tide, Valdrod Spy. Yeah, that's kind of good. We'll send it to black. Demonic Tutor, that's good for black. Got a Battle Rattle Shaman, Leaping Master, Azuri's Archers, Ancestral Mask, we'll send that to green. Got a Shrewd Hatchling for multi. Gateway Palace, or Gateway Plaza, and a Krufix God of Horizons for multi. Krufix, nice hit. And a Stunt Double, a Flash Clone. Stunt Double, a Flash Clone, not bad. And Pull from Eternity for white. I don't know, I probably need Pull from Eternity too. So far we've opened all the ones I need. I swear I do have half the set of Mystery Booster foils. I will show you guys. Yeah, we'll be breaking some Iconic Masters later. It's 15 a pack. 4 of it goes to the charity per pack. Yiddles has just bought into 5 packs, it looks like. You're welcome to buy into packs as well, Good Cat. If you're on the Facebook page, the PayPal info's there. If not, just let me know and I can put it up in chat for you. Got a Knight of Cliffhaven, a Defiant Strike, a Windrider Eel, Shipwreck Looter, Lawless Broker, Dousing Gloom, Hulking Devil, Brazen Wolves, Epic Confrontation, Seek the Horizons, finally a good card, Rosemane Centaur, Artisan of Kozilek for colorless, a Pestilence for black, Collective Brutality black, that's a nice card, let's get a sleeve for that. And we got a Foil Greater Moss Dog. Foil Greater Moss Dog. That one I already have, I know. We'll get this Collective Brutality into a hard sleeve. Alright, just a reminder guys, we're up to 14 viewers now. If we hit 20 viewers, we're going to give these 2 packs away to somebody. Yeah, get the sleeve for the Collective Brutality. Making use of the emote. My emote just got approved earlier today, which was a good timing. Good timing, so we get to use it tonight for our box breaks. Got Path of Peace, Wall of 1,000 Cuts, Ghost Ship, Windcaller Raven, Spreading Rot, Hideous End, Frilled Death Spitter, Galvanic Blast for red, Ivy Lane Denizen, Gift of Growth, Gelectrode for multi, Skarg the Rage Pits for lands, Floodgate for blue, and a Whelming Wave as well for blue. With a Scourge of the Throne. Scourge of the Throne for red. Nice one, red. Let's get a sleeve for this Mythic Dragon. Again, this is one of the mystery foils I'm looking for if you're interested in trading it. Let's get a sleeve for that bad boy. Bam. Scourge of the Throne. Foily Dragon. Goes on the red pile. Alright, last pack of the middle pile. Good luck, everyone.
You think this is CDH viable? What would it stop? It would stop storm type plays in the library.
It's got Darksteel Munitions for white, Divine Favor, Cloud Reader Sphinx, Displace, Night's Whisper will send to black, Ghoul Caller's Accomplice, Earth Elemental, that's a garbage card, Crowd's Favor, Desert Twister, it's not even that good, got a Hooded Brawler, Makarless Geists for multi, Ronus Monument for colorless, Brimstone Dragon, 6/6 Flying Haste, okay, sure, for red, and a Kranko Mob Boss for red, with a 1 with nothing pack foil, 1 with nothing. If you're looking to trade this card, I definitely need it too. Discard your hand at instant speed. Not very useful except in your binder for a collection. Alright, 2 stacks of packs left. Where are we going, left or right? I'm gonna go grab a quick drink. Alright, awesome. Money sent for 3 iconic packs. Cool, cool. Alright. So which side are we probably getting next? Left or right? Left or right for the packs? Let me just check my messages and things. Alright, so we got 5, 8, 11 out of 14 packs. So there's 3 more iconic packs if anybody's interested in the last 3 iconic packs. Alright, I'm feeling left for mystery this time. Alright, we're up to 14 viewers there, guys. If you haven't already hit that follow button, please be sure to do so. I'll let you know when I go live. As well, consider subscribing, because tonight all the money for the subs is going to charity. So why not do it tonight? No better night to do it. And then of course you get to use our cool Black Dragon Shield matte sleeve emote for when we pull 6 stuff. So we got a Nyx Fleece Ram for white, Thraben Standard Bearer, Diminish, Sailor of Memes, Festering Newt, Reckless Imp, Lightning Striker, Blazing Folly, Fertile Ground Green, Revive, Gallery Hedge Mage for multi. Probably said that completely wrong. Behemoth Infiltrator. And we have Dominius of Fealty. Dominius of Fealty for multi. And a Revel in Riches. Revel in Riches for black. With a Trailblazers Boots foil.
Opening up a pack, you'll have 2 packs.
Trailblazers Boots foil. I know I have that one already for mystery foils.
So what you do is you hand the card to the detective.
Alright.
Then look through the card.
Good luck, everyone.
Put the card up first.
Revealed up.
Revealed up.
Yeah.
Right.
And now they
The
have
secret
Got
keeper
Penetarch
looks at the
Ward.
card,
We'll send that to
looks
white.
at that card,
Lonesome
and
Unicorn.
says,
Metallic Rebuke.
if any
Turnicide.
of those things
Queen's
are
Agent.
in common with
Scourger of Souls.
I get it.
Curse of the Nightly Hunt. We'll send that to red.
So you can ask.
Valley Dasher. Elves of Deep Shadow. We'll send that to green.
well, essentially what you're doing is that
Creeping
you
Mold
just
for
say,
green. Abzan Guide.
um,
Mirror Retriever colorless. Impending Disaster for red. Impending Disaster. And a Steam
this
Fogger
was the
Boss.
secret card.
Steam Fogger Boss. Other riggers have +1/+1 and haste.
Right.
With a Game Trail Changeling as the foil. I know I already have that foil too.
I would say that the only thing that these have in common is the number of words in the name. So it's a 2-word card.
Yeah.
Right. So then you would go through here.
Unwavering
Bring
Initiate.
that back. Go
Path
through
to
here,
Exile, that's a hot card for white.
and you would try to find
Propaganda, nice hit
different
for
card.
blue.
So I'd say you reveal this card.
Skittering Eel.
You would
Trial of
figure out what
Ambitions,
that
we'll
is.
send to
Okay.
black.
Issue of
Stab
that.
Wound. Goblin War Chief
Now I know
for
this is
red.
2-word blue card.
Leopard Spotted Geo.
We don't wanna
Blade,
reveal the same
Bitter
card.
Blade Warrior.
Reveal the same
Elemental
You can
Uprising.
reveal the same card more than once, right?
Bounding Krasis for
You go through
multi.
here. Normally it's just 2 packs.
Bladed Fen for lands.
I would
And a
find-
Chancellor of the Annex. Chancellor of the Annex for white.
Look here.
With a Sewer Nemesis.
It has the same
Sewer
card.
Nemesis for black. And a Sheltering Ancient. I think I need this one too. Sheltering Ancient. Nice hits so far, guys. 13 viewers. It's pretty good. How's everyone doing tonight? You guys here for this box break? You here for the pack breaks next? Just here to hang out and collect channel points? Let me know what you're saying tonight. Got a Slash of Talons, Alpha Protector, Enlightened Manic, Windstrider, Fallen Angel. We'll send that to black. Ruin Rat, Summit Prowler, Goblin Bombardment for red,
Guess any of the correct.
Sylvan Scrying green, Roar of the Worm green, River Hoopy multi,
Guess that's a way to learn them.
Alchemist Vial, Eater of Days for colorless,
This pack.
and Mind Spring for blue. With a Puka's Mischief, which I definitely need for my mystery booster foils if you're interested in trading.
Pack is very black heavy.
Black heavy Bamberland. Whoa, black heavy Bamberland.
We got Pacifism, Angel Song, Syncopate,
Black heavy-
Riftwing Cloud Skate for blue,
Like I said.
Altar's Reap, Corpse Hatch, we'll send that to black, Hijack, Gargantic Titan, Abundant Growth, we'll send to green, Eternal Witness for green, Azorius Charm, multi, Emessi's Tome for lands,
Somehow.
Release the Ants, red, Basilisk Collar for multi, or for colorless, sorry. It's a nice hit. And an Iron Mirror. Iron Mirror. I think I need that one for my mystery booster foils too.
This back.
Yeah. The set boosters ones are all like color themed.
Oh, there.
There.
Yeah. I've opened like a box of them or so, and they're all like themed. So you get like 90% of the packs like one color.
Yeah, all the uncommons are.
Yeah, all the commons and uncommons are like one color, except maybe sometimes one common's like a different color that matches your rare or something weird like that. But that's how they always are. They're like themed. So they're probably better for like packed wars, because you could like look at the colors of your pack and then just play like 2-color packed wars instead of like complex packed wars. Sorry, just having a side discussion about set boosters from the new set. Got a Collar of the Culprit, Feet of Resistance, Amphibian Path Mage, Laboratory Brute, Smiting Helix, that's a good one for black, Defeat, Firebrand Archer, Flame Jab for red, Basking Rootwalla, give that to green, Map the Wastes, Hypothesizzle, Whisper Silk Cloak colorless, Chatter of the Squirrel green, Nin the Pain Artist multi, and a Spellweaver Volatile. I definitely need that one for my mystery booster foils. That is, of course, if you're interested in trading. It's got a Star Crown Stag, Light Form, send that to white, Jace's Phantasm for blue, Chronostatter, Dread Drone, Bone Splinter, Shatter, Cobble Brute, Lay of the Land, Pulse of Marisa is a good card, Naya Charm for multi, Lightning Greaves for colorless, Mistform Shrieker for blue, and a Savage Knuckleblade. Savage Knucks for multi. And we got Norin the Wary as our mystery foil. Norin the Wary. I believe I need that one as well. Alright, last pack in this stack. Got a Great Horn Korsha, Glittering Aegis, Augur of Bolus, Steam Slip Eel, Cower in Fear, Shambling Ascendants, Fury Charm, Goblin Rough Rider, Giant Spider, Territorial Behemoth, Baleful Strix Multi, Ornithopter, a Rustic Study for blue. That's a nice hit. Let's get a sleeve for that.
Damn.
And a Hornet's Nest for green. Rustic Study. Let's get those sleeves.
Booty jelly.
And a Hornet's Nest for green, with a Helix Pinnacle for green as well. I think I need this one too for my set. Ironically, I need like most of the foils out of this box for the last half of my set. Alright, last stack. Good luck, everybody. Got some pretty spicy pulls so far. Charge, Danitha for white, Snap for blue, Refocus, Quest of the Gravelord black, Torment of Venom, Wildfire Emissary, Direct Current,
Don't do me like that.
Kalani Heart Expedition, Lead the Stampede, Weapons Trainer Multi, Mercia's Bauble, that's a nice one for colorless, and a Yavmaya's Embrace for multi, with a Urza's Rage for red, and a Braid of Fire. Braid of Fire. I believe I need that one too. And some nice hits for red there at the end of the pack. Alright, let's pull some more lands here for the lands player. Their pile's a little sadly small. They did get that Manamo foil, though, at least. Got a Fencing Ace, Arrest Seal, Repulse, Calculated Dismissal, Will-O-the-Wisp, Reaper of Night, Enthralling Victor, we'll send that to red, Urza Bladeseeker, Arnok Survivalist, Nest Invader, we'll send that to green, Abzan Charm, Ashiel's Altar for colorless, another Rustic Study, hello,
Oh, come on.
2 Rustic Studies for blue, nice one blue, and a Trading Post and an Ogre Gatecrasher. Trading Post, Ogre Gatecrasher. Let's sleeve this Rustic Study. Yeah, double Rustic Study. Who's on blue tonight?
Drop, because we already know what it is and they want to reveal it.
I don't remember what it was.
You won't know what it is. Oh. I know what it is though.
Yeah, it didn't trigger.
Go ahead.
Nice, nice. Well, now you got 2 out of the same box, which for mystery boosters is incredibly rare because there's like 1,700 cards in the set. I don't even know that I've seen like duplicate commons that much from a box. Got a core Sky Climber, Denslin Fox, Factor Fiction for blue, Water Courser, Tidy Conclusion, Induced Despair, Rolling Thunder for red, Destructive Tampering, Harmonize Green, Strength in Numbers, Unflinching Courage multi, a Rogue's Passage for lands, Vishino Sandstalker red, and a Star of Extinction for red, with a Mirrodin's Core for our foil land. Again, I might also be interested in trading for that.
Pitch pass. Yeah.
Yeah, I think everybody wishes they bought more mystery boosters when it came out. I wish I had a lot. Got a Lingering Souls for white. Village Bell Ringer. Madama Jin for blue. Ink Fathom Divers. Skulking Ghost. Vessel of Malignity. Vessel of Volatility. Giant Spectacle. Groundswell Green. Nettle Sentinel Green. Roshin Mender multi. Skull Clamp for colorless. And a Tower of Eons for colorless. With a Misdirect for blue. And a Pillipala for colorless. I already have a Pillipala foil. But I guess I wouldn't say no to a second. Yeah, that's why I still have some boxes saved. Because I want to actually draft the set at some point. When, you know, you're allowed to, like, draft and do things. Am I muted? No, I should be good. Anyone else? Expedition Raptor. Center Soul. Trinian Tactics, blue. Guard Gamoza, blue. Blessing of Besnalok. Stinkweed Imp, black. Okay, good, thanks. Rubble Belt Maraska. Keldon Haldbarg. Palaka Worm, that's a good one for green. Woolly Loxodon. Wayfaring Temple for multi. Diamond Mare colorless. Rage Reflection for red. Shamrock Revelation for green. And a Foil Spike Feeder. Foil Spike Feeder for green. I think I need this one too for a mystery booster foil.
You take the damage, say.
Get a soft sleeve for that.
After you've taken damage.
Alright, 3 packs left. Good luck, everybody.
You get before you take damage. Yes. But we haven't changed the phase there.
Combat.
We got a Cast Out for white.
'Cause but I can
Marked by
create-
Honor.
create the damage, right?
Preordained blue.
'Cause I can declare
Nagging
it- it's
Thoughts.
already declared as attackers.
Dinosaur
Then
Hunter.
I add 2 to my mana.
Skeleton Archer. Desert Caradon. Valakut Invoker. Clip Wings. Riparian Tiger.
Mana Scott again?
Agony Warp.
That's not-
Akum Refuge. A Malistrum Angel. That's a nice one. Let's get a sleeve for that. Temporal Mastery. Double Mythic pack. Let's see if we can go for triple Mythic. And a Council Guardian for white. Just a double Mythic pack. Let's get some sleeves on those bad boys.
Oh, you blocked one?
Don't know what that Angel's worth, but I know that Temporal Mastery is pretty pricey, and we just got a double Mythic pack, so that was pretty sweet.
Let's say 3, 4. Damage?
You want the damage?
Yeah.
So, before damage is dealt, from the Vapor Snake, the egg top. That's being blocked.
Alright, 2 packs left. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Got a Conflagrate. Knight of Old Millennia. Arcane Denial for blue. Singing Bell Strike. Trespasser's Curse. Unyielding Karar. Cinder Helion. Thrill of Possibility for red. Kavu Primarch. Thornwheeled Archer.
Okay.
Ethercast Knight. Ether Hub for lands. Extinguate. Terrarian Mauler for red. And a Foil Harmonic Sliver. Foil Harmonic Sliver.
Damn.
I'd be interested in trading for that one too. Pretty sure I need that for my collection as well. Alright, last pack. Good luck, everybody. Got a Core Hookmaster, Winged Shepherd,
No block.
Dazzling Lights, Scroll Thief, Plague Rite, Deadeye Tormentor, Genji of Spires, we'll send that to red. Pyrotechnics is bad. Hunter's Ambush.
Okay.
Fastwood Gorger.
I'm going to
Zertod Druid. Cold Steel Heart. That's a good mana rock for colorless. We got a Serrated Wall for colorless. A Thalia's Lancers for white. And a Bramblewood Paragon foil to finish off the box. I could probably also use the Bramblewood Paragon.
You only have 1 minute.
So if any of you guys are interested in trading for some of those mystery booster foils, let me know.
Yeah, I'm just doing it to
I'll be right back in a second. I'll show you my collection that I got of them so far.
No.
Alright, so here's what we got so far, guys. Got a good chunk of them so far. I think we're up to about 50 or 60 of them. A little lacking in the blue section. No, we have that Bramblewood Paragon. I was wrong. Got a lot of green stuff. Some colorless stuff. We do have the Pillipala. And a Glittering Wish. And a Stalking Stones and a Storehouse. Use a D-Ring binder? Yeah, I probably should use a D-Ring binder. But, I don't have a D-Ring binder right now, so I'm lazy. But that's what we got so far for mystery booster foils. I'm trying to complete my set, so if anybody wants to trade me theirs, help out, that'd be greatly appreciated. We're up to 14 viewers right now. Yeah, I know, I've seen the effects of it the hard way. I just store it carefully and try not to destroy my foils like that. Alright, so we're up to 14 viewers so far. If we get to 20 viewers, we're going to give away these 2 packs. So tell your friends, have them come out and check us out. That was our Mystery Boosters box break. I'm going to stop the video recording there and clean everything up. And then we're going to break some Devil Masters and Iconic Masters packs. Be back in just a few minutes. Got to clean this stuff up here.
The last one.